This is Dan, King of Boatshed, on board this Jeanneau Odyssey 34.2. Coming down a companionway, one is immediately struck by the spacious saloon with a linear galley. Turning to starboard, the chart table and pilot seat, and to aft, a large double berth with a folding panel that gives access to the rear of the nearly new engine. The late owner had ordered a brand new life raft, which is still in its delivery carton, unopened. Spacious heads with hanging space and a typical Jeanneau toilet. Moving forward, the fridge, twin burner cooker grill, double sink, lots of storage. Headlining in very good condition, as is the woodwork. I see no signs of water ingress. Moving forward, a large fore cabin with a hanging wardrobe, plenty of storage under the bunks. A very nice practical boat that will take its new owner on many adventures.